up, Logan? What, buddy?
Whoa. Hi. I got my purse.
Hey, Logan, you have to go potty? What are you doing, Ty? What? There's a bear on the house? Where? There's not a bear. There's a bear? Let me see. You said there was a bear at the front door this morning, too. Where's there a bear? There's a bear in the house? Where? Right there?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the bear? Point to it, buddy. Right there?
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
There.
I don't see the bear, honey. Want to show me?
What's here in the house?
Let's see. Are there any bears in here? Bears. No. You see any bears, Logan?
Right here. Right here. Right here.
Hey, Tyler. I don't see any bears, honey.
Right here.
Where?
Right here. But it's not the house.
I don't see a bear in the house, sweetie.
Here house?
Yeah.
Here house.
I think it's okay. I think it's all safe, buddy. No bears.